Do you have headlights that look like this, but you want them to look like this? We're going to show you how. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Brothers Builds. It's going to be an exciting video for us. This is the first full-length video that we'll be bringing you guys. I am on my way to meet the brothers. We're going to be doing a headlight restoration video, a simple process that any of you guys can do at your home. We'll be using products that you can find at any of your local auto parts stores, Walmart, whatever the case may be. But we're going to show you step by step the process that we do to at least revive headlights. I won't say that we're going to get them perfect, but the headlights we're working on today, they're on Mom's car. You know, Mom, she's turning like, I don't know, 120 this year. So we want to make sure that her vehicle is safe, that her headlights are as clear as possible, so that she has the best visibility that she can. So I'm on my way to meet the brothers to get that knocked out. Some exciting news. We are going to be doing a giveaway on this video. That's right, our very first full-length video, and every single person that watches this is entered into that giveaway. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. Let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. There's going to be some of you guys, probably not too many, there's like 14 subscribers. I'm willing to bet that a few of those hit the subscribe button by mistake, but hey, we'll take it. But there will be a few of you that mention me driving and filming at the same time. Some of you will say, what about a hands-free state? And I get it, but rest assured, my left hand is still free to drive the vehicle. Oh, sorry. No, I'm just filming while driving. Okay, you have a good day. Anyway, let's get to the shop. All right, so we're at the shop, and like I was telling you, I was telling the guys that are watching on the way down, we are doing a free giveaway. That's right. Every single person that watches this video, we are giving you free instructions, step by step, of how to restore your own headlights. I know we're on a budget, but it is what it is. We do appreciate you watching. So we're here in the shop. Let's get to it. Okay, so some of the products that we're using, again, we want to stress that anybody can do this at home. These are products you can buy from the store, any auto parts store, Walmart, whatever it may be. So come on in here, I'll show you what we've got. So the first product that we're using, we're not sponsored by Meguiar's, but we have used this in the past with great results. And this is the two-step headlight restoration kit. It comes with everything you need. No drills, no buffers, anything like that. We're gonna show you how to use this step by step. A couple different levels that they offer for how bad your headlights may be, severe, moderate, light. This vehicle, we're using a moderate setup. They are pretty hazy, and we'll show you that here in a second. But you can get outstanding results by using these different kinds of levels here. So also some Scotch-Brite pads. These are not required. We keep these on hand just in case we run into a situation where it's got real heavy oxidation and it's giving us a fit. So these are handy to have. Again, you don't have to have those. Some tape to tape off the headlights and the area around those. We'll show you that in the video. Just a little bottle of water, soapy water, to help with the cleanup process, keep everything moving good. Isopropyl alcohol if you need it. That also helps with the finished product, wiping everything down around to make sure you get everything clean. And just some basic microfiber towels. You can get these, again, at any parts store. Most of this stuff can be purchased at Dollar Tree or something like that. So, Kellen, if you would, tell them what we're working on and show them the headlights.
This right here is a 2012 Kia Soul. This is Mom's car. As you can see, it needs some work, needs a little love and attention. But the stuff we're going to focus on today is this right here, is the headlights. And as you can see, they've got a ton of oxidation. And what that does is that keeps these headlights from being as bright and visible at night. Our goal is to get these back to being as clear as possible, and that will help with nighttime visibility and clarity. All right, let's get this thing started here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get these headlights as clean as possible. We'll get the hood up and get it taped off. So we got a clean microfiber towel. I've just got a little bit of alcohol here in this squirt bottle, and we're just going to see if we can't get this as clean as we can. All right. Got it?
Yep.
Let's do the second the same way.
So we're going to get started by taping off the headlight from the car. You don't want the abrasive pad to scuff the paint job on the car, so we're going to take that off. So if you want to come on in, I'm going to get some tape, some painter's tape. Throw some tape.
Keep in mind, as he's taping this off, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Just make sure you have good coverage. So he's going to go along the outside of his headlight, along that paint, and make sure that we don't have any overlapping seams that might get scuffed up. So again, you can do big pieces, small pieces, painter's tape, whatever you can use that's going to be easy on, easy off. It'll get the job done.
Yeah, don't use duct tape or anything like that.
Gorilla tape.
It's going to pull your paint off.
So you can see where I've got taped off around the headlight here. We're not going to worry about the underneath of this headlight so much because it doesn't come in contact with the body. But if your headlight does match up with your body here, you would definitely want to tape off here to keep that abrasive pad from scuffing your paint down here.
All right, let's open this up and see what we got. All right, so in the package, you'll find a couple of the abrasive pads. You'll use these to clean the oxidation off the headlights. There's a solution that you use along with those, which is this right here. Basically just a cleaning solution. Pretty simple, two-step process, clean and coat. So that's the cleaner with the pads, and then whenever you're finished cleaning, you'll come back with your headlight coating and get those clear coated basically, help to keep that from yellowing in the future and keeps oxidation from coming back as quickly as well. So, okay, so back over at the headlight. This will be the first headlight we're doing. You do have a pad for each headlight, so you know, you can go ahead and have that ready. The instructions say to shake the cleaning solution up real good, so we'll give it a good shake. So as we're doing this, we're going to put about a quarter size. So we're going to use a quarter size drop of solution or cleaner on the pad, and we're going to work this in a back and forth motion. We don't want to do circular motions to make like swirl marks like what you'd see on paint. So back and forth motion. So we'll go ahead and do that. Real good prep, fellas. All right. Put just about a quarter size amount. All right, back and forth motions, covering the whole headlight. So if you feel like that you're running a little thin on product, if your headlight's larger or whatnot, you need to add a little more, you can do so. So I'll go ahead and do that. This is where the tape comes in handy to keep it off the paint. All right, let's wipe this down real quick. Can I get a microfiber towel, please? All right, well, that works. Let's go ahead and wipe this down. Same direction as the sanding motion. Don't want to put any swirl marks in it. We got it wiped down for the first time. You can see the progress we've made. Something to pay attention to as you're sanding on the surface of this headlight, whenever you wipe it down in between steps, Don't be alarmed if it looks worse than it did before. What you're actually doing is getting all of that oxidation off of there, but it's going to make the headlight look hazy. That final step that we do with the coating, that's going to take that haziness out of it. So don't let that alarm you. Keep going. Keep doing this process until you get it down to where it's as smooth as possible. So still a little rough. Some areas that I still need to work on, so we will get there, but you can do this multiple times. It's not just, one and done. So keep working at it until you get the results that you want, and then we'll show you what the finished product looks like after we add that clear. All right, so I'm gonna keep working on this headlight here to speed the process up. Daniel's gonna go ahead and get started on the other side, and we'll get these both knocked out and right back to you.
So I think we've pretty much got the cleaning phase done. We've got as much of that oxidation off as I think that we're going to get. As you can see here, just like we said before, it did create a haziness here on the headlights, but that is not something to be afraid of. That is part of the process. You can see this one here the same way. All that's going to go away once you get that coating on there. This is the way it's supposed to look, so don't let that scare you. What we're going to do next is we're going to get these as clean as possible before we spray the coating on there. You don't want any type of oils or fingerprints or anything because that coating may not stick to that. So we're just going to use a clean microfiber towel with some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and we're going to try to get these as clean as we can. All right, now that we've got the headlights completely clean and all the oils and stuff removed, the instructions say they need to be completely dry and before you start doing the coating. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tape off the car. You can use any type of painter's paper or paper towels or newspaper or anything to tape the car off so you don't get the overspray on this. So we're going to do that right now. We're just using these brown paper towels. No stick. And I taped it.
Put your what we should have done is bought a set of headlights and then took these out and put the new ones in.
Yep.
So easy, anyone can do it.
And then when you look,
Hey, I'm recording here. So, all right, so now that the taping portion is done, we've got everything taped off that we don't want the coating to get on. So next we're going to move into the coating phase. Requires headlight coating. Maintains clarity on restores headlights. Provides durable UV protection. Provides new headlights. I messed that up. Requires headlight coating. Maintains clarity on restored headlights. Provides durable UV protection. Mother. Requires headlight coating. Maintains clarity on restored headlights. Provides durable UV. Requires headlight coating. Maintains clarity on restored headlights. Provides durable UV protection. Protects new headlights too. Get in there. This is where the magic happens.
All right. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. The first coat is already set, so what we're going to do is now we're going to spray it again, and that should be it. That should do it.
Directions say it should be dry to the touch in about 3 to 5 minutes. We've waited that long, so let's go ahead and get all the paper and the tape off of it and see what that finished product looks like. Be careful when removing the tape and the paper. Don't drag it across the headlight just in case you still have some residual clear coat that isn't completely dry. I think it looks sharp.
It's definitely a big improvement. How much did that kit cost?
I think this kit's around 20 bucks. You can get it at any of your local auto parts stores, Walmart, Amazon. We'll definitely put a link down in the description for you guys to pick that up. All right, there you have it, folks. Quick, easy DIY project that you can do. About 20 bucks roughly. Anybody can get these same results that we did. Just follow the instructions. If you learned something or like the video, please click that like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. We really do appreciate you watching.
We'll see you next time. Keep building.